So you want to learn how to build a landing page with Nowsite Marketing? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step exactly what you need to do to be able to make that happen. So you definitely want to stick with me throughout the rest of this video all the way to the end so you don't miss anything, all right? Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my camera and we're gonna jump right into it, literally step by step. So pay close attention. And matter of fact, this is for people looking in from the inside. Already you can take a look at this and learn, and from the people that are looking in from the outside and you're looking for some type of solution, go ahead and just see how everything is done. All right, so let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my camera. Now that my camera is minimized, this is inside of the Nowsite Marketing Platform, all right? So now, what you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says websites. We're going to click on websites. All right, now once this populates, you can see I've built a bunch of pages inside of here, right? Multiple different ones. Now, how are you going to do it? So the first thing, you see this right here where it says add new. You're going to click on add new. And then these are the boxes that you're going to have to fill in. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of fill these out and just, you know, kind of come up with something off the cuff. Give me just a minute here. Okay, so this is what we'll do. The name of this business will be Tom's Barber. Let's just roll with that. All right, so Tom's Barber. All right, now the website name, I think I'm going to go, instead of Tom's Barber, because that may not look right, I'm going to go with Tom the Barber, right? That'll be the actual website name. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that because that's the website's name. So that is what will show up here. I'm going to put that in the website URL. And then now you can see the new URL that I will have, because inside of Nowsite, they allow you to have your own URL. So as you can see here, HTTPS, and then here, tomthebarber.now.site. So that would actually belong to you. Okay, now I speak English. Depending on what language you speak, you can go throughout here and choose it. As you can see, they have Arabic, Burmese, Chinese, Czech, English. But in my case, just for this video purposes, we're going to use English. All right, now down here is where you're going to actually choose your industry. All right, so since this is a barber, I'm going to go ahead and go to, you see it has tons and tons of niches: automotive, investment products, cosmetics, right? Tons and tons of niches, right? So we're a barber, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to personal services, and then over here in the subcategory. So basically how this works is you choose the big portion of the niche, and then you choose the sub niche. So the sub niche of in personal services, for us, since we're a barber, as you can see there, it says barber and then a whole bunch of other personal services. We're going to choose barber. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to click on next, since we filled everything out. All right, so now it's taking us into the web page editor. Now, as you can already see, it built the website for us. It was already taken care of. All right, so that saved you a lot of time. Now, of course, I could literally come in here and I can make, and I'm going to show you guys this in a minute, but I'm going to show you what they've done. They pretty much had it created for you. It created a template. Now, you don't necessarily have to use a template, as you can see here. Let me show you real quick, right? They got some barber accessories. And then boom, these are all fill in the blank. Tom's Barber, business description. You can pretty much fill out whatever it is that you wanted to say. You can change the stuff. You can change quite a bit of things. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute. Now, as we go down, we can see learn more today, right? They have an opt-in right here. And then you can see it already has my information. Rakeem Madison, blase, blase, blase. Right? And then as you can see here, we have more pictures of people actually getting a haircut, right? So it's basically like a templated page, but the AI is actually building this on the background when you put in your niche and all of the data that was just submitted. So at the top, you can see here, it says Tom the Barber, because remember, that's the name of the website that I actually chose, that I actually written in there. Now, if we keep going down, you can see you have questions, we have answers, right? So they pretty much give you a template. This is, in essence, this is like a template. Now, let's get into like actually editing the website. So you see when I click that, now it gives me all these things that I can literally drag and drop. So let's say, for instance, let's say, for instance, when people come to this page, let's say I want them to come to a video, right? So all I would have to do is I would literally just drag this over here like this, literally drag and drop. Give it a second. I think it dropped below where I wanted it. All right, so let me move this up. Let me move this video up real quick. All right, so this is how you would move it up, and I want it up at the top. All right, so boom. Now I can put a heading in there, right? So let's say, for instance, I say, watch this video, watch this important video. And then I'll just put like, watch this important video, ... Don't wait. Something like that, right? Because most of the pages, like usually most pages that I do with like landing pages where I take people, like they enter their information, and then right after they enter their information, usually the next page for me really only includes a headline and a video. That's me personally when it comes to building out a bridge page, all right? And then usually that video would be me pretty much introducing myself to the person, and then kind of giving them a quick summary of me, not too much, and then letting them know what to expect on the next page, right? And that's pretty much my process for my bridge process. Now, of course, you could do this tons of different ways, right? In this case, this would be more for a bridge page, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete this out of there, and then I'm going to take away a couple of things, because like I said, you can literally plug and play. All right, so let's say, for instance, I click on this, and let's say I didn't want that picture there. I could just remove that picture, right? And then you can put whatever it is that you want. So you can see all the different things that you could do. So you can add a headline. You can add a feature block. So a feature block would be where you have text on this side and then you have the picture, right? So let me show you what I mean. So if I drag the feature block in, and you'll see here it says text image placement. So the text will be on the left, the image will be on the right. The text will be on the right, the image will be on the left. It just depends on what you want to do. So let me show you how that would look. So heading, let's just say free video reveals. Let's just put that up there for now, just to kind of show you how this would work. All right, so free video reveals, we will generate you leads. All right, let's just go with that. We will generate you leads. Now, the way that this will work, I click add image, and then the good thing is they actually have an image library. So let's say, for instance, you don't have your picture, but you're into the personal services niche. So when I click on this, you're going to see it's going to auto-populate pictures inside of here. So this is a barber. I could use this, right? This is that little barber symbol, and then I can go through and see if I can find anything else related to barbering, right? Cutting hair or something similar, right? It depends on what niche you're in, right? You just want to go into the niche. This is actually going to save you time versus you actually going out on Google, researching pictures off Google, downloading them to your computer, and then uploading them in here, which you can actually do. But this saves you a lot more time when you have pictures that are templated to those specific niches, all right? So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that little barber one. All right, and I'm going to hit select, and then just pay attention to pretty much what it does once I actually add it. And another thing, real quickly, I almost forgot. You could actually add text to this particular image right here. So if I click this, boom, I could actually type what I want to show up on there. So this is how that will work. So if I type my name, right, you can see my name is starting to auto-populate. So for me to see that, I would have to turn it another color. So you see how it's red now? So you can actually edit the pictures if you don't like them just standard. But in this case, I'm going to actually leave it on select. All right, so boom, I hit select, and then this is how it will show up right here. So if I wanted to change it and put it on the left, then it would pretty much just flip it, right? It's a very simple process, right? So we're done with that particular process. All right, so then I would hit OK, and then boom, right? My feature block would be there. And then the same thing goes for if I wanted to add a large image again. I could just bring a large image in there, and boom. And then all I would have to do is just do the same thing if I wanted to use a picture from the image library. You don't necessarily have to use a picture from the image library. It'll be up to you. All right, so I'm gonna hit cancel here, and then you can also add maps. So let's say, for instance, you are, advertising for a local business. Maybe you're an agency or something like that, right? And maybe, matter of fact, probably even a better example would be if you're doing real estate and maybe you're doing like a showing, right? And people need to know how to actually get there. Well, you could actually put a map. You could put the property so they can see the property, and then put the address to the property, and then all you would have to do is literally just enter the address. So I'm gonna show you here. So I don't know if this is a real address or not. Okay, there we go right here. So 4567 Rockdale Court, right? So boom, that's where that is, and you can literally put the map on the page, and then all you had to do from that point is just hit OK, right? You don't need to add a heading if you don't want to. All right, and then the next thing you could do, you can add buttons, you can add a customer form. So if you're trying to generate leads, this is the customer form that you can add, and then you can also play with the style of it, right? So if I want to make the button size bigger, I can go with a medium size, or if I want it to be large, I can go with the large size, right? And this is you do all this by clicking from content over to style, okay? And you can change the font. You can also change the button color, the font size. You can play with a lot of different things, the alignment, spacing, and so on and so on, right? You can really get creative with building these pages. And the more pages that you build, you'll get a whole lot better at using Nowsite to do so. All right. All right, so we're gonna hit cancel, and then also you could do a list builder. So let's say, for instance, you have like bullet points. All right, so right here, you got one column and you got two columns. And then if I hit like bullet point, boom, you see how the bullet point just showed up there? So let's say, for instance, you're doing a webinar and you got 3 secrets that you want to share, that you're gonna tell people, hey, I'm gonna be sharing these 3 secrets, bullet, right? And you're telling them the 3 secrets you're going to share. So that's just an example to kind of show you guys, that are watching this video right now, that, there's a lot here to leverage, to help you grow your business. All right. All right. So let's hit cancel. And then also you could do an about me. So let's say, for instance, you want to put like most of your information. So let's just put my name up there, right? Rakeem. And then the last name, boom, 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 boom. And then let's go to a quick bio. So if I want to add a bio, basically all of the information will fill out. All right, so let's just go with I love me. All right, so boom, you see how it's pretty much filling in. 2457 Lane Drive. It's not my real address, by the way. And then email, right? So as you're filling this stuff in, all of this stuff is going to appear on this page. Of course, it's going to look a whole lot better than what you see here, but now I'm just kind of going throughout the page to kind of show you guys how it will work. And then you can put your phone number, your Facebook, your website URL, and all of this data if you want to. You don't necessarily have to do it. And me specifically, I don't waste my time, putting all the additional things, because I understand that when people come to a page, you have to keep their focus on what you have them there to do, right? If your goal is to generate leads, don't be focused on how pretty the landing page is, right? You want to focus on making sure you have that form there and making sure you have your promise on that, right? So what pains are they dealing with? And so you turn that into a headline. And pretty much the form that the little my layout for doing pages is how to do this without doing this. Okay, how to do this, or how to get rid of this, or how I lost 40 pounds in 90 days. I actually created a landing a capture page with that particular headline. All right, so that's how that works. Now let's back out of that, and then you can see here there's a large text block. So if I want to add that in, boom, all I would have to do is I can do the 1 column thing again, I can do the 2 columns, and then I can edit text block. So basically anything I put in here, right? So let's say, for instance, I had a picture, I added a picture, and then down below I want to do like a bio for myself. Then I can literally just type out everything that I want there, and then continuously go down the page, and then get down to the bottom of the page where I can literally just, put the button, or just have them opt in, right? So it's pretty powerful. It's a lot of different things you can do with this. And then of course this right here. So if I put this right here, the blog, then I could just put the heading here, put the button text here, and then right here it says edit blog content. All right, so right here it's videos. And the thing about the blog, okay, it's when you're using the social marketing, which I'm going to do a video on that as well. But when you're using the social marketing, you can actually post to your blog. So that's why you don't see anything here. Because I don't use that side of things when it comes to building pages. I actually focus on the lead generation. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. And so these are all the things that you can literally add to the page. But if we click over here, you can see social media links, website background, default heading, subheading, paragraphs, default color, and then here this is the custom code. So if you're trying to build pages and you're trying to use your Facebook pixel or your Google pixel or whatever it is that you're trying to do, all you have to do is just click here, add new code, put the code right there, name the code, and then hit save. And then boom, it will be on this page. And then the last step that you would have to do is literally just hit save and exit, right? And then after you hit save and exit, your page will be created. All right, so you can see here it says 3-click marketing powered by AI. If I turn that on, it's not actually allowing me to do it, but basically this is already AI because it built the page. All right, and then after that, we just hit save and exit. And you should see here in a minute, website created. So now when I go down to the bottom, all the way down, you can see Tom the Barber. So when I click on this, it's going to pull up the website I just created. Obviously, I added a bunch of random stuff on this. So obviously, you know, this probably wouldn't be the best example for a website. As you can see, I got my map. I got my barber stuff, right? Boom. Now, this doesn't look like the best page, but I wanted you guys to understand how you can go about building pages inside of here. It's a very simple process, literally plug and play. You just drag and drop, and it's really that simple. And then they gave you a template just from picking your niche. So it makes the process, it literally saves you a lot more time, so you don't have to waste. All right, so with that being said, hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And with that being said, if you want to get started with Nowsite Marketing, the first link in the description is going to be the link. You can go ahead and click it, take a look at the website, and then if you feel like it's time to move, then make that move. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.